Hey everyone, welcome back to 5-Day Crypto. My name is Chase. Today we're going to look at 1 inch. We're going to look at 1 inch versus the US dollar versus Bitcoin. So if you like the video today, give us a thumbs up. Follow us on Twitter, Telegram, and Patreon, all linked in the description below. Let's get started. A 1 inch on the daily chart. What do we like? Well, this is our 21-day EMA, exponential moving average. After briefly spending some time around here, we put in a nice Dragonfly Doji candle, which is very bullish, usually the signal for a end of a downtrend, and now we're moving back up. We're closing multiple days now above the 21-day, so what we want to see is a continuation up, obviously. Short-term resistance, or big-term resistance, as I should say, around that $4 mark. Why? Well, look at the resistance here back in September, and we zoom out a little bit more. Resistance June, and support way back in April before our peak. And after you break long-term support, you often, when you do break it, you break it in a big way, you come back and your initial retest is going to hold as resistance. This is not significant just to 1 inch. This is significant against any chart, just basically plain and simple. Resistance, continue the downtrend. Once we start getting up here and start holding support, if we can somehow flip $4, then we can look more towards, higher ranges, all-time highs, all that good stuff. So if you zoom out on a weekly chart, well, now it becomes a little bit more clear and easy to read now, doesn't it? Same line, right? Support, flips, breaks, flips as resistance, rejected again, came back up, resistance. So we're now trying again to come back up here. Now this line, instead of the 21-day, we're on the weekly chart now. So this is our 21-week exponential moving average. And as you can see, last week, just yesterday, we closed above it. That is a good sign. What do we want to do? We want to have 2 candles closing above it because we weren't able to do it the first time, right? Close above it and then right back below. So this is an important week for 1 inch. Let's hold above it. Right now, it's about 334. That should remain about the same for the rest of the week. Let's close here 334. If we do that in 6.5 days from now, then $4 is our next target. We break that, zoom out, well, our all-time highs are in target, $7. There's not a whole lot to go off of because 1 inch is a little bit of a newer coin, but we have enough data that we can comfortably say $4 is our clear and precise target that we're looking for. After that, should be a little bit bluer skies ahead, okay? So that is 1 inch in a nutshell, what to be looking for there. Our Crypto Fear and Greed Index is now at 78. We're extreme greed. However, we can hold up here for a prolonged period of time. Look back here, over a month, in extreme greed. So what we want to look for is, a hold above the 70 level tends to be kind of our support zone for, the bigger moves up, right? The higher prices. So as all of crypto, rises, we want to continue making these higher highs. Look at this, 76, October 7th, 78, October 12th, and 79 just yesterday. So let's continue to make a higher highs, and then we can continue with higher prices. Okay, so let's look at the quote of the day. Les Brown, I highly suggest going to look him up if you're trying to improve your life in any way. This guy has a lot of info for you. Listened to him for years. And car of the day, Bugatti Divo. Just so happen to have a model car right here with me. Let's get that angle. The same angle, same car. Pretty rock star. All right. You can have one too for $5 million. So if you've got an extra $5 million around, you too can have blue tires. They just invent stuff at this price level. So, all right. Hope you had a good video. We're trying to make a couple short videos, 4 minutes. Hopefully you like the shorter ones. I can get more coins covered. We're going to see how this does. We're going to try this at least this week, depending on how well they do, how many thumbs up we get and views we get, compared to like doing one video a day at like 20 minutes. Maybe we'll do, a handful of videos a day and make them, 4 to 5 minutes. See how you like it. Hopefully you like this. If you're into 1 inch, cool. Hopefully you liked it. If you're not into 1 inch, you're probably not watching. So I'll end it here. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'll see you on the next video.